Hello, I am Mayur Thakkar. I am a civil engineer by profession, and we develop turnkey interior projects as well as we develop real estate which are deliverable to the end user, and we make sure that what we deliver is up to the mark and up to the quality which we promise. The last project which we did was before pin code came into our mind was the address at 12 Alkapuri Society. Those were 16 apartments, which were the concept was again a fully furnished apartment project, which we were very successful and which was well conceived by my clients and the end users. So after doing 12 the address at 12 Alkapuri, the name which was very unique for the new project was the pin code at 55. 55 stands for the final plot number, which is located in Baili TP1. Baili TP1 is the most developed of the TPs in the last 10 years in the Baili Vasna Road region. This area has taken at least 10 to 12 years in the development, and we have now most upscale apartments, bungalows, row houses in this vicinity. I think this is one of the areas where you already have drainage connection, water connection, and it is included in the VMC limits. So when we got this plot, I found that this is an opportunity to give something back to the society in terms of a niche development or a niche project. I don't do generally 50 flats consortium or a 100 flat consortium, but we always believe in a boutique apartment project wherein we can give 100% justice and 100% quality deliverance to our clients. Pin code at 55 is a 12 unit consortium, a 12 unit boutique apartment project wherein we have 10 flats and 2 penthouses. The flats are approximately 3000 square feet carpet area and the penthouse is approximately 5500 carpet area. The beauty of this project is that we could include basic amenities which are sustainable. I again lay emphasis on sustainable amenities is what we can manage, what we can maintain, and what everybody would like, everybody in the family could get benefit for. For example, in pin code 55, we've given on the ground floor the amenities such as gym and a yoga room, which can also be used by the residents. Here we've added a new concept in the amenities as we provided a spa. For example, in the winter months, every family would like to, or every individual would like to have some sort of a massage or some sort of a healthcare facility. That was more often seen in the lockdown times that we could not visit any spa or we could not visit any hair salon. So here we provided a basic spa facility which will have the massage facility and the pedicure, manicure, and a steam and a shower facility which is only for the residents of pin code at 55. We also have a small conference room for 12 people which could be utilized as a library for the elderly people, where they can sit and have a cup of tea with their friends. You can also use that facility as a home tuition facility for your kids. And we can also use that facility if the members want to meet someone and does not want to take them into their own apartment. So these are the three basic facilities which we have provided in terms of amenities at pin code at 55. We have a nice entrance lounge and a lobby which leads to the lift. There are 2 lifts in this apartment. So basically 6 apartments have 1 lift for their disposal. Now coming to the apartment for the pin code at 55, it's a 4 bedroom 2 hall apartment project. The 4 bedrooms are attached with bathrooms. We also have a powder toilet facility. The 2 halls will house the informal and the formal living areas, including the dining area. We have a small area which can be utilized as a work from home office and a puja area. The kitchen is quite big and which all the home ladies or the homemakers will love. We also have a nice utility which can be used as a dirty kitchen, and from the dirty kitchen we can access the servant quarter, which also has an access from the main foyer of the apartment. So, and the penthouse is very customized. It's a 5500 square feet carpet area penthouse. It can be customized for a family of four, which stands out in luxury and space. So it's a very unique product in this apartment project. Another uniqueness of this project is that we have in-house housekeeping and in-house maintenance team dedicated to this project. We meaning my company undertakes maintenance and upkeepment of this project. Well, not throughout the lifetime, but yes, we are committed to managing and maintaining this project in terms of its daily requirements and daily needs. So that's another unique project. The other aspect what we help out is to our investor clients is we help in leasing out or renting out the property. We have a very vast network and a goodwill associated with us with our corporate clients. So they vouch on our properties and they are always eager to see what we have in offer for the market. Talking about the architects for this project, the architects for this project are Groundwork Architecture from Ahmedabad. It's an Ahmedabad based firm. We've been working with them since last 5-7 years now, and we are quite happy with the outcome. They understand us. They know that how much detailing we get into each and every project before it is being materialized and before we go on ground. So we have good memories with them, working with them, and also the consultants involved in this project take a good interest when we are involved in the project. So it's a good teamwork which always shows at the end of the day. The interior designers for the sample flat or the sample flat and the lobby and the general spaces are Usain Studio, Yatin and Jiten. Again, they share a very good bond with us since we are working together for the last 10 to 15 years. And I think whatever you see or whatever the results are seen is because of the good teamwork from Usain and our team. Thank you.